Hey pretties, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a beautiful day. It is gorgeous outside, and as soon as I'm done filming this video, I am heading out there and getting some sunshine. So today I am very excited. I have another unboxing, and I'm excited and sad at the same time because I feel like this is going to be my last unboxing for at least the next few months. And I still have like a couple things on my wish list that I really want to get, but I think my collection is complete for me at the moment. So this might be, I don't know, the last unboxing until, you know, a few months, or it may not. I don't know. But anyway, before we get started, I wanted to say welcome if you are new around here. I'm Fabiola, and I love to create lifestyle, fashion, beauty, and decor videos, and I love everything pink. So if you're into any of that, consider subscribing to my channel. Also, check out my blog. It's FABIOLAG.com. I post tons of useful links, information, and lookbooks, so check it out. That being said, let's go ahead and move on to the unboxing. Following the seasons, this is what I've learned. So here it is. It's a massive box. I don't think I've ever gotten a box this big. This is huge. So it is a Louis Vuitton unboxing. I did get it online, but I actually ended up getting it through the actual like Louis Vuitton store in Las Vegas, and then they shipped it out to me because it wasn't available online. And I noticed that a lot of their items are not available in line, maybe because everybody's like shopping or something. So I really wanted this for a very long time, but I don't know, I stopped myself from getting it because I already have a similar item. You guys will see what I'm talking about, but let me get rid of this massive box. Whew, okay, that was a big box. Okay, so here it is. It's the Louis Vuitton box, and this is like humongous. This is so huge. So here is the receipt that it comes with. I'm not going to get into detail with that. And they included a ribbon. I haven't gotten a ribbon in any of my LV purchases the past couple of months. So I'm very excited that they actually included a ribbon. So here it is. Oh, this is really tightly wrapped, so I have to kind of push it away. All right, so you guys are gonna see what I got. Here it is. Oh my gosh, this is so big. Okay, so here is what I got. I don't know if you guys can probably tell by the shape and size, but I decided to get the Louis Vuitton Never Full in the size in this beautiful damier azure print. I am so excited with this. It is so gorgeous. So if you are new to my channel, you probably don't know, but I did own the Neverfull a couple years ago in the monogram print, and I ended up selling it just because I felt like it was just a little bit too big and I just wanted something smaller. So then I purchased the Neverfull PM, which is actually right up there, and I use that like non-stop. But I really adore the damier azure color, and I wanted something in my collection that I would use all the time and something that had pink inside. So the only size this comes in is the and the GM, which I would not get the GM because that's way too big. But this here is going to be like fantastic, and it is a little bit bigger, yes, but I can fit so much in here. And I'm going to use this as my everyday bag. It's gorgeous, and not to mention the pink lining. I think what sold me on this was definitely the pink lining. It is so pretty and it smells so good. Okay, so I want to see where this one is made in. This one is made in the USA. I have a lot of pieces that are made in the USA. So the other reason why I decided to get this one is because it comes with this here, this little pouch. So basically it's like you're getting two things. And this is like such a good size. This is definitely a really big size. Let's see the inside. Oh, it's so pretty. It's also in pink. Oh my goodness, I am like in love with this. So whenever I don't want to wear the tote bag, I can just definitely carry this as a little clutch. I love this print. It's just so pretty, and I think the pink goes amazing with it. It looks really nice. I'm just checking it because I haven't opened it, obviously. So I just want to make sure everything is lining up correctly, and it definitely is. I might have to get like one of those organizers, so I'll definitely do that. And then of course you can always, you know, cinch this in, which I'm definitely going to do. I'm definitely going to cinch in these corners right here. Let me get my Neverfull PM so you can compare the size and see for yourself which one would be more suitable for you. So here is my Neverfull PM, and as you can see, the vachetta has definitely darkened a lot because I use this like almost every single day. It's like my favorite bag, and I also have these little things cinched in, but if I take them out, this is what it looks like. It's just so cute, so adorable, and I love it because it doesn't lose its shape. So it's definitely really nice. The inside is just made out of this like beige color. This is also made in the USA. So here is my new one. You can see the difference of the straps. They are so different. I really miss having my tote bag this color. I really loved it when it was this light. But it also looks pretty, this like honey patina color. So this is the size reference. So for the straps, if I put them side by side, the straps are definitely taller. So these are definitely going to be more comfortable to use as a shoulder bag. So for the size, this is the size difference. So there's definitely a pretty big difference. You get all this extra space here on the side and all this space here on the bottom. So it's definitely bigger. But I really love this. I think it's just so pretty. This is going to look amazing. Let me stand up so you guys can see. It's going to be like amazing for like the summertime. So this is what it looks like as a tote bag, and it's so pretty. I really like it. You can also wear it like this in the crook of your arm, but I'm definitely going to wear it over my shoulder just because it's, you know, big. Really adore that color. So here is my PM size. And this is what this one looks like. So it's definitely not the most comfortable way of wearing it on the shoulder just because there's like barely any room here. But you can definitely wear it on the shoulder. Sorry you guys, my kids are home. You can probably hear them like screaming. They're playing their games. So this is what this one looks like. And here is this one for comparison. So this is definitely like a smaller tote bag. Super cute, but this one here is just like the perfect size tote bag because you can definitely put so much in here, and you can always, you know, cinch these parts right here so they're not like sticking out if you don't like it, which I'm definitely gonna do so that it looks more like a little bag. So yeah, those are the differences. So that was it for my unboxing. I am so in love with this. So excited. I actually ordered a pom-pom, like a pink pom-pom to put here, similar to this one here. So that should be arriving soon. I think it's going to look beautiful with it since it does have pink inside. But let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. I'm also going to leave you a link in case you are wondering how to get hard to find pieces at Louis Vuitton. I do have a video with some tips on how to find them. Let me know in the comments down below which item is on your luxury wish list. And I also wanted to let you know that I do have an entire Amazon luxury dupes list down there below in case you guys want to check it out. I have tons of beautiful luxury like dupes that are super affordable and they are gorgeous. I actually also have like a tote bag that is so similar to this one, but it's like a different brand. So check it out as well. I'll leave you the list down there below. I hope you all have an amazing rest of your day and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Following the sea.